very good evening to you. Welcome to KTN Prime. Now, tonight, the nation is demanding answers about not only the brute force used by police officers during yesterday's protest over the murder of blogger Albert Ojwang, but also the use of guns to disrupt peaceful protests. The depraved act of shooting a 22-year-old Boniface Kariuki at close range has now fueled calls for the resignation of Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja. We ask, who hired those goons? Is this the conduct we expect from those sworn to protect the lives of citizens? And most importantly, what do these systemic failures of leadership and accountability within the National Police Service mean for the nation? We have a detailed report on this developing story. Later on at 10 p.m., we speak to Mwanase Ahmed, a human rights activist, and ODM youth leader John Maketor on the declining public confidence in public institutions. Good evening. This is KTN Prime. Let's get you informed. Indiscipline in the discipline service. Calls for accountability rent the air over the unholy alliance between police officers and hired goons during protests. Who's pulling the strings?
Meona ako sawa lakini siwezi sema sana juu hiyo ni machine na naona anapiga roho.
The long road to recovery. Boniface Kariuki is alive but in critical condition at KNH Intensive Care Unit as family demands justice for their kin. Arrested but not arraigned. 24 hours later, 2 police officers involved in the shooting of masked vendor Boniface Mwangi still being processed. Will they be arraigned tomorrow? Plus, IPOA finally summons Deputy Inspector General Eliud Lagat to record a statement in connection with the ongoing probe into Albert Ojwang's murder while in police custody.
He's coming tomorrow. I don't want to give you the time.